Software teams push code changes every single day. One developer fixes a bug, another adds a feature, someone else updates the database logic. Now imagine checking all those changes manually every time. Did the application build correctly? Did the tests pass? Did deployment break something? Doing this by hand becomes slow, repetitive, and risky. That is where Jenkins comes in. Jenkins is an open-source automation server used to automate software development tasks like building, testing, and deploying applications. In simple terms, Jenkins helps teams automatically verify and deliver code whenever changes happen. Imagine a team building a shopping app. One developer updates the payment page. Another changes the login flow. Someone else improves product search. All these developers push code changes to Git regularly. Git is a version control system that tracks code changes over time. Now, every code change needs to be checked. Without Jenkins, someone may need to manually pull the latest code, run build commands, execute tests, package the application, and deploy it. That may work for very small projects, but once teams release code many times a day, manual work becomes risky. Someone may forget a command. Someone may test the wrong branch. A broken feature may accidentally reach production. Production simply means the live environment real users interact with. Jenkins automates this entire process. The moment developers push code, Jenkins can automatically start a pipeline. A pipeline is the chain of automated steps Jenkins follows. For example, pull the latest code, build the application, run tests, package the files, and deploy the application. This is closely connected to CI and CD. CI means continuous integration. It means developers regularly merge code changes into a shared project, while automated builds and tests verify everything still works correctly. CD means continuous delivery or continuous deployment. The idea is that once code passes all checks, it can be prepared for release or even deployed automatically. Before many modern cloud CI/CD tools became popular, Jenkins became the default automation server for thousands of engineering teams. One reason Jenkins stayed popular is flexibility. It supports plugins. Plugins are extensions that add new features to Jenkins. Using plugins, Jenkins can connect with GitHub, GitLab, Docker, Kubernetes, testing tools, cloud platforms, notification systems, and many other DevOps tools. Another major advantage of Jenkins is feedback. Whenever Jenkins runs a job, it stores logs. Logs are records showing exactly what happened during execution. For example, maybe the build failed because a package was missing. Maybe a test failed after a login change. Or maybe deployment failed because the server was unreachable. Instead of guessing, developers can immediately open Jenkins and see where the problem happened. Jenkins can also notify teams through email, dashboards, or chat tools whenever failures occur. Now, internally, Jenkins works using jobs and pipelines. A Jenkins job is simply a set of instructions Jenkins executes. Modern teams usually prefer pipeline jobs because pipelines can be written as code. This is called pipeline as code. Instead of configuring steps manually through the UI, the pipeline is stored directly inside the project repository. That makes pipelines easier to version, review, and maintain. Jenkins runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac systems. So the simplest way to understand Jenkins is this. Jenkins automates software delivery workflows. It helps teams build, test, and deploy applications more reliably. It reduces manual work, catches problems earlier, improves consistency, and helps teams release software faster with fewer mistakes. That is why Jenkins became one of the most important tools in DevOps.